2 damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having an awesome week. Today is Tuesday, March 6th, and this is going to be my watch list for Wednesday, March 7th. Bulls to the Wall Trading, or did I say that right? Yeah, Bulls to the Wall Trading. I'm sorry, I've been all over the place so far these 2 days, but this channel is a channel that I created in order for me to share my experiences in the stock market and hopefully encourage people to trade. My goal is to get you guys to see that this is simple, and with a little bit of work and dedication you'll be able to look at these graphs and understand what's going on, and hopefully be able to trade and make some money while you're at it. I am not a financial planner, I am not a financial advisor, so anything that I discuss here is just my personal opinion, so please do your own research before you invest. Again, this is going to be my watch list for tomorrow, Wednesday, March 7th. The way that I make these videos is I talk about day trading first, then I go into swing trading. Before I get into that, please make sure to check out our free chat room through the Discord app. I will leave the link in the description of this video, so make sure you check that out. As always, please like and subscribe. Thank you to everybody that's been subscribing and joining the chat room. We've grown, pretty steadily, and it's all because of you guys, and I make these videos for you guys, so thank you for watching, thank you for the support. For those new viewers, I try to make videos every day, Monday through Thursday. I usually take the weekends off, and for those of you that have been following me, I missed a video yesterday this week. As you just heard me talk, I can barely put thoughts together, but it's been a pretty crazy start to this week, and it'll probably continue to be a crazy week. So if I miss a day or two or another couple days, it's just because I'm running around busy with other things. So let's get into my day trading watch list. The one thing that I tell you guys always is that this is my style of trading. By no means does this mean that this is the only way to trade, whether it's day trading or swing trading. I only talk about the style of trading or the strategy of trading that works best for me. This doesn't mean that this is the only way. This doesn't mean that this is how you have to do it. It just means that this is what has been efficient for me and what has given me results. So there's no reason for me to change. So what I like to do as far as day trading is I like to trade the high, whether it's the intraday high, pre-market high, or post-market high. So what I like to do is find stocks that have gone up or made a significant move up, identify the high, and then that's when I put my resistance line at that point. So at this for this stock, GNW, the high is $3.28, and as you could tell, it's held this highs. It's hanging around $3.22. So what we're looking for this stock is for the price to come up, cross that high with good volume, and that could be an opportunity for us to get in. Just because it crosses this resistance line that we drew at 328, it does not mean that it's going to take off to the moon. The stocks do whatever they want. They have a mind of their own. So tomorrow, if this stock crosses above 328 and you buy in at 329, you have to understand that it could go up 2, 3, 4 cents and then come crashing down. That is the risk that you take when you invest, and you have to be aware of these risks. Regardless, there is potential in this stock, so that's why I have it on my watch list. The next one is INPX, and again, we identify the high, which is at 160, so that's where I will draw my line, or if you want to get technical, it is a resistance line, and we are just looking again for the same situation. The price will start coming up, cross 160 with a good amount of volume, and that is an indicator that it could make a run. Again, it's not guaranteed. Nothing in the stock market is guaranteed. You're basically making an educated guess as to what it's going to do. HL, I believe, is the next one. Yes. Whoops. So the high on this one was $3.99. For those of you that have been watching all my videos, you guys know that half dollars and whole dollar amounts are a big resistance point. So instead of drawing my line at $3.99, I will draw my resistance at $4. If you see the stock, it had a pretty big day from $3.74 to basically $4. But what makes this stock enticing is that it's very close to that $4 whole dollar resistance line. So if this one can break 4, it would be a pretty good opportunity to get in, because it's breaking a very big resistance point, which is the whole dollar amount. Next one is FTR. This one, same situation. Look at this one. This one had a good day and it stopped right at $8. That's not a coincidence. That's because $8 is a big resistance point. So that's where I would draw my line, and we want this one to cross $8 again, because it is a whole dollar amount, and that's where the high was. We want good volume also, and hopefully it could take off. And again, I just want to reiterate that this is not the only way to day trade. This is my style, and it works for me. There's plenty other ways to day trade. This is just what has worked for me. RRD is the next one, same situation. The high of the day is $7.93, but it's very close to $8, which is a whole dollar amount. So that's where I would draw my line. And we want the same thing to happen. The price to come up, cross $8, good volume, and it is a good opportunity to get in. You might be saying, well, what's good volume? This is your volume right here. So look at these little bars compared to this. This is what we want. We want high volume, which would mean a lot of buyers, which would mean momentum. That's essentially what we're doing here. We're buying the momentum. We are momentum day traders. What did I just do? All right. And the last one as far as day trading is EVRI. This one just shot up. It probably had some news. I don't want to sit here and read it. I don't want to take too much time, but it had look at this candle from $7.53 to basically $8, a 50-cent candle. Wow. It crossed the $8 mark, so the whole dollar amount, it crossed it, but it did see some resistance at 802, and that's the high of the day. So we'll keep we'll draw our line at the high, which is 802. What I like about this stock is that it went from $7.50 to around $8, and it hung around $7.90. So it didn't come crashing down. It's hanging around, so it's maintaining that high. You're hanging close to that high. So hopefully tomorrow it can keep that momentum and cross 802. Again, good volume. This is probably the best example that I can show you as far as volume. Look at the volume for these candles. You can barely see them down here. And then look at the volume with this candle. It shot up. That's because everybody started pouring in. That's what you want to get in on. That's what you want to do when it crosses. If you see volume pouring in, that means there's a whole lot of buyers, and that's an opportunity to get in to drive the price up higher. Again, is it guaranteed? No, but it is a very good opportunity that it could happen. All right, so that is day trading, my day trading watch list. Now we're going to move over to swing trading. If you are not familiar with swing trading, I have a video out, so make sure you check that out. And over the weekend, I made a video about these two indicators, the MACD and the RSI. So if you watch my videos and you don't know what this is, make sure you check that out. So as far as swing trading, I am currently in 2 swings. I am in CLDX. I got in CLDX around right here at 235 on this candle. Let me zoom in on this candle right here. It went up to 247 the following days. It came down, and now it's attempting to come back up. So I'm still in this one, and this one has been incredible for me. TRQ. I got in on this candle right here at 280, and it has been just, it's been killing it. I mean, it's just been, 6 days, 7 days, green positive days. It's amazing. So hopefully it can keep going. I'm gonna ride the wave as much as I can. I'm making a pretty good profit here. And again, I'm just gonna keep it as long as I can. So currently in two trades, two swing trades, and that is it. I did try to get in on MUX this afternoon because of a potential bounce play right here, but I did not get filled in at the price that I wanted, so didn't get filled there. So what I like to do as far as swing trading is I like to buy the bounce. I like to see where the support is, and once a stock bounces off of that support, if the day that I'm looking at, if the candle is green and it is bigger than the previous red candle where it bounced, I would get in. So in this situation, this line right here is my support. This is a red candle, and the following day you have a bigger green candle, which is a bullish engulfing candle. This would have been my chance to get in, and look at what it did. So that is my theory, or my trading style as far as it comes to swing trading. So in this situation here, it came down, it bounced, but this green candle isn't bigger than the previous red, so I did not get in. Look at this situation here. It's still hanging around that support, which is this blue line, and today's candle was definitely bigger than the previous red candle. That's why I tried to get in. So that is my style of trading, of swing trading. Again, that's not the only way to swing trade. There's many different ways. This is just what I feel works for me. So let's take a look at some of the trades. Some of the stocks that I have here as a potential swing in the next coming days. So this blue line is where the support is, which basically means where the stock comes and bounces off. And you could see it did it here, and it's doing it here again. So this stock came down. I didn't get on this candle again because this green candle isn't bigger than the previous red candle. So for me, that is not a buy signal. So I'm gonna keep hanging on to this one. Hopefully it comes down more, and then when I see a green candle overtaking a red one, it will be my chance to get in. KGC, we have two support lines right here. Again, this is the support line is where the stock usually bounces off and goes back up. You could see it right here, here. Not right here. I wanted it to bounce up right here, but it kept going down. It broke through that support. So now I want it to come down to this second level of support and bounce up. It looks like it's rebounding, but I really just wanted to keep going down. GNW, this is a previous one that I had. It's not good anymore. I missed my opportunity right here. See, it came down, and then this candle overtook the previous red one, and it shot up. I missed my opportunity on this one. I really don't know how I missed it, but it was a great opportunity, so I'll uncheck that. LC, this is another one that I will uncheck because it's not good anymore. I saw this one unfold. It went down to support. It bounced again. The green candle overtook the red one, but I didn't like the fact that it was such a big green candle. I usually like for the green candle to overtake the red one, but not by this much, because usually when it goes up this much, the next day you could see a sell-off. So I didn't really like how bigger this candle was than the previous red one, so That's just my trading rules. That's just my trading strategy. So it doesn't mean that you have to follow them. That's just my personal liking. And E, I think this is another one where we had an opportunity. No. So I'm still waiting for this one to come down. The bounce was probably around here, but I like to see a red candle and then followed by a green one. So it hasn't met my condition yet. So what I like to see is basically this right here: red, 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 green, and then this one could have been higher than the red and I would have bought, or I would have bought in on this one and then just ride this wave. GOGO. This one's bouncing at support right here. It's like it bounced right here and it bounced right here. So we're gonna keep watching that one. AG. This one was one that I tried to get in on this candle, but I did not get filled at the price that I wanted. Everything played out perfectly, just like it did here. It went red. The candle overtook the red one, and it went up, and it did the same thing here. Red candle, green candle bounced at support, overtook the red, and it shot up. I was trying to get in here around 550. No, actually 549 is when I tried to get in, but I didn't get filled, and you could see what it did. So that one's no good anymore, so I want to check that. IAG, let's take a look. This support is right here. It bounced right here and right here, so we're just waiting for it to keep coming down. AU, this one bounced on that support line that I have several times. Hopefully it can come down again. MUX was the one that I was trying to get in earlier, but it didn't fill me. MDXG, this one went below support, so I didn't really feel comfortable getting in on it. Come on. Whoa. CPG. Okay, so this one, it went up, but it didn't satisfy my trading rule. So it went down and it bounced, but this green candle isn't bigger than the red one, so I didn't get in. It still went up, so that's not an issue, but it didn't satisfy my trading rule. So if it doesn't satisfy my trading rule, I don't buy it. I would have wanted this candle to be over here, and then I've maybe gotten in, but since it didn't do that, I did not get in at that point. That's just one of my trading rules. So you guys have to figure out on your own if that's something that you want to follow or not. CRBP is the next one. Here's the closest line of support. As you can tell, it's bounced here, 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 and it's coming down. So I'm looking for a possible bounce play off of there. And I think that is it. So that is it as far as swing trading. Let me check the chat room to see if anybody has any questions or anything they want me to go over. Nope, nothing there. That is something that I would encourage you guys to do if you are a new viewer or a new member, or you've been a member and you're not in the chat room and you have questions that you want to ask, or you want me to check out a stock and give you my opinion. I'm not saying that my opinion is always correct or that I'm a stock guru, but it's always nice to get second opinions. Join the chat room, and I do have an area where you can give us stocks and we can give you our opinion. It's not just me, we all help each other out. So if that is something that you're interested in doing, getting other people's opinions and getting help, then by all means join that chat room and we'll be more than happy to assist you. I'm looking at this stock right now, and here's another line of support that I will draw right now. Oh, I got my wrong tool. So There's another line of support right around here. So I'll just draw this one just in case it goes below my current line of support. Oh, come on. Right there. And you could see bounces here, 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 and here. So if this stock comes down and breaks this level of support, then I will hopefully catch it here. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you again for the support. Please like and subscribe. Check out the chat room. Thank you, everybody, for watching my videos. Again, it's been a pretty crazy week. I know it's only Tuesday, but there's a lot going on with my life right now, and it might continue the rest of the week. So don't be shocked if there's a couple days for the remaining of the week that I don't put out a video. You can always catch me on the chat room. If there's a stock you want me to check out, leave it in the chat room. If there's a question, leave it in the chat room. And that is it, guys. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.